Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. In this lecture, we are going to learn where all we can post your videos, and that too free of cost. The first thing that you need to do is you need to have a Gmail account or an email account, and easily you can post your videos on Twitter. Then you can post it on Facebook, then Instagram and Pinterest. Now next you can also post it on Google+. Next we have Reddit. So according to the topics, you can go ahead and you can post it on Reddit as well. We also have LinkedIn over here, and then we have Vine, and everybody's favorite YouTube and Vimeo. So that's all for this lecture. Thank you so much. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.